Implement the Mediterranean diet based on recommendations from the Cleveland Clinic. Eat some of the following items at every meal. Eat at least 3 servings of the following each week. Limit the following to 1 serving a day. Limit the following to 1 serving per week. This is how people ate in certain Mediterranean countries in the mid-20th century. Researchers have linked these eating patterns with a reduced risk of coronary artery disease, TAD. A dietitian can help you modify your approach as needed based on your medical history, underlying conditions, allergies, and preferences. The Mediterranean diet has many benefits, including lowering your risk of cardiovascular disease, including a heart attack or stroke, supporting a body weight that's healthy for you, supporting healthy blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and cholesterol. The Mediterranean diet supports a healthy balance of gut microbiota, bacteria, and other microorganisms in your digestive system. It also lowers your risk for certain types of cancer and slows the decline of brain function as you age. What food choices are you willing to change to improve your mental and physical health as you age? Check out the Mediterranean diet article from the Cleveland Clinic website by clicking on the link in the description. Please share your action plan to improve your health in the comments. Thank you for watching and sharing this video.